Hello. Today we're going to talk about homeostasis. So homeostasis describes all of the processes that happen in a cell or organism that keeps conditions optimal, which means at levels that best support normal functioning of the body. This will happen as a response to internal and external changes in the environment. So humans must regulate their body's internal conditions to make sure that enzymes, which are biological catalysts which help speed up reactions, and also cells function well. So the conditions which we will regulate are the urea concentration, which is a waste product produced in our urine, the internal body temperature, water levels, carbon dioxide levels, and also blood sugar levels. So what is homeostasis and why is it necessary? Homeostasis is necessary because humans are organisms that live in a changing environment. It is important to regulate our body's internal conditions to ensure that our enzymes and cells function well. If conditions are not optimal, then our enzymes can denature, which means they change shape, and this reduces their ability to catalyze metabolic reactions. This is because they can't fit in with the reactants in the reaction, so they can't catalyze it. So let's have a recap. Which are the internal conditions that our body needs to regulate? So the blood glucose is one, our body temperature, also the carbon dioxide levels, and also our urea concentrations and our water concentrations. And if the internal conditions are not optimal, so if these conditions change, then our enzymes can denature, and this will reduce the enzyme's ability to catalyze chemical reactions. Or we could also call this metabolic reactions. So which of these is not an example of homeostasis? I'll give you some options you can have a think about, and then we'll talk about why. So reducing water levels in the body if they are too high. That is an example of homeostasis because we want to keep these water conditions constant. Blood vessels dilating when it is too hot. So our blood vessels do that. So you might notice that your skin gets hot when you're hot, and that's because blood vessels close to the skin will dilate, and that will help heat be released from your skin. Leaving a room because it is too hot. So that is a behavioral response, not like an internal body change. So this is not an example of homeostasis. So homeostasis in the body will regulate our blood sugar levels. It also regulates our body temperature and also our urea concentration.